Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to do an XLOOKUP on two or more columns. So in my scenario, I want to look up the combination of brand and product to return the correct discount. So I'm going to write my XLOOKUP in F3 equals XLOOKUP. Now my lookup value is a combination of the brand and the product. So what I do is I select the brand first of all, and then use the ampersand symbol to concatenate that with the value for the product, comma. Then the lookup array must be the same combination that I've specified for the lookup value. So it will be all of the brand values concatenated with all of the product values, comma. And then my return array are the discounts. And then for my if not found value, I'm going to write combination not recognized. So if I close the bracket and press enter, you can see I get 12%, which is correct for the combination of HP and laptop. If I change HP to Apple, you can see I get a 5%, which is correct, taken from this row here. If I have a combination of product and brand that doesn't exist, I get the combination not recognized value returned by the XLOOKUP. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.